Hello my dear friends and welcome to my channel. If you want to get an honest review of Coupert, the platform that saves your money when you are shopping, you need to stay on because all the important info is going to be ahead. I will teach you how you can apply automatically your coupons, your cashback, and of course price comparison with other shopping websites. It's going to be ahead, but before we move on, just check out the description box below this video because I keep the link to Coupert so you can check it out and to make sure it is very easy to save on your purchases. And don't forget to click on subscribe button. So Coupert, this is a platform that helps you find a better price for whatever product or whatever goods you are looking for. And you can do it easily by adding it to your browser, and whenever you are on a shopping site, you can always turn it on and you will have a list of offers to choose from. Of course, there are a majority of very famous stores that you can start shopping and apply coupons, promo codes, and cashback. So, for example, just some of them right on their website, eBay, AliExpress, whatever is in the country. It could be even like Amazon, so on and so forth. You could still check it out in your own country, which offers Coupert has to offer. But even when you go through the website, you will see what Coupert has to offer. Very easy. But today, I guess I will go through a easy way of searching for discounts. I will just choose, for example, this website because everything looks very attractive here. It's a cashback they are offering starting from 2.1% and up to 10%, which is a great cashback. And they have 4 available coupons, which is also good because you can eventually save up on your purchases when you proceed to your checkout. So I'm right here and let's just see anything that I can choose from. And for example, okay, let's choose this one. Yep, I put it like in my card so I can check it out later. So what I'm doing now is I'm clicking on the extension to my browser, Coupert, and right here I can see 2.1, as I told you before, up to 10% cashback. You can click right here and apply your rewards. What else is available? Coupons. This is a discount to your general check. And of course, afterwards, you can compare the prices to a different website. So for example, if I'm choosing this one, right? Let's just go ahead and check this out. So right here, I can click this one, find better prices, and I'm gonna look for better prices. It's gonna be here. So 66.49 euros it costs on the website where I was looking for it. And right here, Coupert found me just the best offers ever. So for example, right here, it's 53.99 euros. 47.47, so I can save 19 euros. So as you can see, this is such an amazing thing because it's not just saving €1 or like $1. You can save a pretty huge amount. And right here you can click on whatever website you want to buy it from. Let's check out how discounts work for you. So this is my purchasing card. As you can see, this is the same foam, and again, Coupert offers me coupons to apply. Let's click on apply. So what can I use right here? Okay, one coupon has already been successfully added. One more. Yes, cashback is, I didn't activate it, but let's see what coupons I've added. So first of all, this is a voucher advantage, so I'm having €5 less, and I'm having shipping costs for free. So right now, I'm having this price 53.19. It's even more because it will not be shown here, but all the coupons in general, it's getting this total. So can you imagine how much I can save on that purchase? It works very easily, and I just want you to try it out because this is something which I've never had before, but I started using it since last month, and it saves me tons of money. Check it out. It's in the description box. Coupert, remember this name. Thank you for watching. I will be back with a new portion of interesting content for you. Stay tuned.